Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Dimpi. Thank you so much for tuning back into this video. So today I have another one of those exciting KORS unboxings, and you guys must be thinking like, what is happening with all these unboxings? And that's because December is a time of celebration. I feel like I have my birthday in December, I have my anniversary in December, so there's just so much happening. Christmas is in December, so there's just so much happening in December. Plus there's this like into the December, you just come out of the Black Friday, so you have like sales and stuff like that, which, you know, it's hard to resist a good sale, let's just be honest. And I love handbags, so I feel like for someone like me, I am just waiting for a good sale to come so I can order like multiple handbags, or at least a couple. So this is one of the other KORS handbags that I had ordered. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I believe a couple of weeks ago, I said that I have series of unboxings coming up, and I have a couple of KORS unboxing, and this is the last one. So I did unbox one other bag from KORS. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I will leave a link to it in the description box down below, as well as up here in the cards. But check out that video. That one was a little bit of a disappointing unboxing just because of the handle issue. Watch the video and you guys will know what I'm talking about. But basically that one was unboxing. But this one is not going to be unboxing because I'm so excited. I got this bag a couple of days ago. This one came from California, and I'm surprised because when I order from KORS, it comes, I guess, from New York, New Jersey, New York. So it doesn't take too long. Sometimes it comes like locally. But this one came all the way from California, and I was a little bit iffy because with KORS, if you guys know, that when you order something, they try to give it to you from their warehouse or their factory or whatever. And then if they don't have the piece in their warehouse or factory, then they reach out to the stores, and then stores give you a piece if they have it in their store, basically. Which also means that if your piece is coming from a store, it could also mean that it's like a display piece or a return piece and stuff like that. So I was a little bit iffy when I was tracking the FedEx number and I saw that it was coming from California. I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be a store piece, it's gonna be a display piece, and I was not really expecting anything, let's just be honest. But when it came nicely wrapped just like that, and I am just so happy because I was looking for this color, I think. Well, I shouldn't say I was looking for this color, I was looking for this bag, and then I kind of went with the black color. So I'm actually talking a lot. I'm just going to show you the bag first, and then I guess I can tell you the rest of the story. But basically, this is the bag, and this is a true unboxing. I have not really opened the bag at all. I did open the box because I just couldn't wait. I wanted to see if it's really from, like, if it's actually like a new piece, or if it's like a used one or returned one, or like a display piece or whatever. So I couldn't resist and I did open the bag, but this one I haven't opened. So we're gonna open this together. We're gonna check the bag and we're gonna see. But I don't even remember from my last unboxing, but I had given you a heads up that this is also a Mercer. It's not a Mercer Gallery. Mercer Gallery was the one that I unboxed last video. This one is, it just says Mercer here. Hopefully you guys can see that. But this one just says Mercer, and I think it also says black. Yeah, black Mercer, and NS means no size, I guess. But this is a black Mercer, and this one is the Mercer Belted Satchel. So this is the Mercer Belted Satchel. I think I have said it several times, and I did say in the last video too that I love the KORS Mercer line. It's one of my favorite bags. And yeah, let's just open the bag and see and reveal this gorgeous, gorgeous Mercer bag. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I just love it just from looking at it. I mean, I haven't even seen the entire bag yet, but this looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can hardly wait. Okay. So here we are, guys. This is called the Mercer Belted Satchel in the size medium. I know this one comes in the size small and it also comes in the size large. So this bag is actually not very new. I'm sure you guys must have seen this before. It's just that for me, I was looking for this bag. This was just so pricey. I think it was like 300 something. It came maybe like a couple of years ago, and it was just so darn expensive. And yeah, I guess I couldn't really find the type of color that I wanted. And then even now when it went on sale, I think they had 3 color options. So there was pink, there was, I believe, the brown, the cognac color. I don't even know if it's called cognac, but it's like a brown color. And then this one. And I guess I went with black because I didn't know, like I hadn't seen any of the other ones in person, so I didn't know how the color was gonna be like. And I already have a pink Michael Kors bag, so I was like, let's not get another pink, but I also have another black Michael Kors bag, so I don't know, I guess black is my color. But let me just show you how the bag is on the inside. So it does have 3 sections. So it has a flip pocket in the back, a flip pocket in the front, and then a middle zipper section. And it is nicely stuffed, so I'll just quickly remove everything. This one actually did come with a dust bag, which is always nice because my other Mercer Gallery, the one from last week, didn't come with a dust bag. So here we are on the inside. So it does come with a strap, and then on the inside it's got 2 slip pockets on one side, then it's also got a zipper pocket on the other side, as well as another slip pocket. And then this thing over here, right here, is I think a key tag. So there is that. Oh my gosh, this bag is so pretty. It really is pretty, and I think it's called a belted satchel because of all the belts and stuff that are on the side. So let me remove all these little pieces and then like really show you the bag up close. All right, so this bag was so nicely wrapped. It took me so long to remove everything, but basically that's how the bag looks like out of all the little wraps and everything. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can really get a good look at it. But here is the side. That's where you attach your strap. And then here is the front. And then here is the other side. And then these are the feet. So there is the bag. Oh my gosh, this bag is really, really so pretty. I've seen so many other videos about this bag, and it was always so tempting to buy this bag, and I can't believe I finally have it. I'm just so excited. And it is a little bit heavy, I'm not gonna lie. The bag, the bag right now is completely empty, but it's still, there is a substantial weight to it. But I feel like if you're not going to be like carrying on your shoulder a lot, or if you're just kind of like, let's say if you're doing grocery shopping and if you just put this on a cart or something while you're shopping around, then it's not too bad. And I honestly just can't wait to use it more. It's just really, really nice bag. I think it looks very nice. It's like a briefcase, you know, it's like a little briefcase, and it's just so good. I really like it. I love the black against what I'm wearing today. It's just so pretty. And stay tuned, I will insert some mod shots at the end of this video so you guys can see what this bag looks like on me. You probably have seen the mod shots before too, because this bag is really not new, but it is new to my collection. I did have a chance to get small belted, like Mercer Belted Satchel, I think 2 years ago. If I can find that video, I will leave a link to it down below. Check it out. That one is a little bit of a smaller size than this one. And the color of that bag was also pretty, but I honestly do like this one a lot more. This one has pebbled leather all around it. I think that one was a size small, and it did have smooth leather. But yeah, I really love this bag. I mean, it's nice. The handles are not crooked. If you guys remember the other bag, the one I unboxed last week, had crooked handles, and Not my style at all, but I love this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. If you are wondering how much I paid for this one, I paid about $200. This is including taxes. I think without taxes it was about $187, something like that, and then I apply Massachusetts tax, so it was about $200, and I think it was 200 well spent dollars. I mean, I really like this bag, and I really can't wait to start using it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Do consider subscribing down below, because I do have another unboxing coming up next week. I actually have 2 more unboxings coming up. These are Louis Vuitton unboxings. I'm done with Michael Kors for this year. I mean, we're almost done with this year anyways, but I'm done with this year's Michael Kors unboxing. I'm very happy with the last bag that I added to my collection. And then, like I said, coming up, I have 2 more Louis Vuitton unboxings to do. And then hopefully that's it for the rest of the year. Let's hope I don't end up buying anything more. I mean, I'm buying a lot, but yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and also do consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, some more handbag inspiration, some cool reels and pictures and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys out in my next video. Like I already said many times before, take care, stay safe, bye.